Hey guys, in this quick video I'll show you how you can remove your Bitmoji from your Snapchat barcode here. You can completely remove it from your barcode after watching this video, so if it helps you out, please do leave a like and subscribe. So what we need to do is you need to get to this page here. To get to this page, all you need to do is go to the main Snapchat, click on your icon in the top left hand corner, and it will open up this page here. Once you're here, go to the settings cog in the top right hand corner, and it's going to take you to the settings here. Now all we need to do is click on the Bitmoji tab. It's under notifications near to the bottom of the screen, and then it's going to take you to your Bitmoji page here. You'll see your Bitmoji. You'll have change outfit, edit my Bitmoji, and choose a selfie. Also underneath that in red we'll have unlink my Bitmoji. You can click on that and it's going to explain that if you created your Bitmoji with Snapchat, it's going to be deleted. That's fine though. We can click unlink, and then we've unlinked our Bitmoji with Snapchat. So now we're back on our profile page with the barcode, and you can see the Bitmoji is no longer there. Now no worries, if you want to create a new Bitmoji, you can just scroll down and you can simply just create a new Bitmoji, and that's all you've got to do, guys.